Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how do I create a loop with Soundful, a quick guide. So, let's begin. To start off, there are a couple of methods to dive into the art of track creation that reflects your unique creativity. Look out for the create button in the player at the bottom of the screen. It's the icon resembling sound waves. After clicking that inviting create button, you will be presented with three exciting options: similar, track, and loop. I'm gonna choose loop. The creative journey kicks off here. Hover over any template that resonates with your vibe. Once you have found the template that speaks to you, give it a tap. With a simple tap on the chosen template, unleash its potential by clicking the Create Preview button. Behold, a sneak peek into your sonic creation. What you see now is a window into your musical masterpiece. But remember, you have the power to edit and shape it to your liking. And there you have it. Through just a few clicks, you've set your musical journey in motion with Soundful. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, let your music resonate and your creativity shine.